At TMEC, we do things differently. We don't just sell systems, we sell energy solutions for locals by locals. I'm Dave, the sales manager at TMEC. Let me introduce you to Tom, the guy who started it all.
I started TMEC to build a company that stood for something more. High quality work, local service and ongoing support. We don't use subcontractors. Every install is done by our in-house team. They're trained, experienced and generally invested in the outcome.
We've been servicing homes and businesses across the Sunshine Coast since 2014, delivering everything from solar systems and batteries to air conditioning, EV charging and general electrical.
We only use equipment we know and trust. We've tested it, we stand by it. Because when it comes to your energy setup, cutting corners costs more in the long run.
We live here too. That's why every system we design is tailored to your space, your goals and your budget. No cookie cutter setups, no pushy sales.
And once it's installed, we're still here. Our after-sales support is what sets us apart. Whether it's questions, servicing or upgrades, we've got you covered.
TMEC were super easy to deal with. I had a great time with them and I'd recommend them to anyone. Process was very smooth and very professional. The best part is that the solar system will start paying for itself straight away. If something goes wrong, I know they're only a phone call away.
At TMEC, we're proud of three things: high quality equipment, local service, and reliable aftercare. We back everything we install with a 10-year workmanship warranty. We don't just install systems, we build long-term energy solutions. So if you're ready for a smarter, safer energy delivered by a team who backs what they build, get in touch with us today.
TMEC Services. Reliable, local and professional. Simply call 0474 959 922 or visit tmecservices.com.au now.
So what are you waiting for? Let's get you hooked up.